Okay guys, check it out, overhead cradle. I don't want to over-explain the details here. I'm going to show you the real basic but highly effective way to get this overhead cradle. I got my partner Jimbo here, ready to go. Okay, how I like to do it. I like to establish some control on the back. So I put in what we call a padlock. So a padlock is this. So Jim and I rotate. I'm going to bump him a little bit forward, and now his weight's off of his ankles. My trail leg steps over, scoops and snares. I sit on it. Okay, so that's the issue. So we rotate here, I bump, I step in, lock in the padlock. Then from here, this hand goes over from the elbow to his chin. This arm reaches, double reinforces under this leg with the padlock. From here, I walk his leg out, drop my head in the rib area, and then from there, I crunch him up and lock my hands. Crunch him up, lock my hands. Remove the padlock because I don't need it. I can drive in the hand, go, post my forehead, and go to a tripod. 1, 2, third foot here is 3. So when I have the cradle locked, the best way to finish is as I'm here, I sprawl, lift his head, and get the fall, okay? Let me give you one little variation that some people will play with if they keep the padlock. I don't prefer it, but some people do it and you can get away with it, especially if you have good grip strength. That's keeping the padlock and hooking the leg. So I'm here, bump, scoop, grab it, walk. Here, lock him up, bump him to his hip, and roll over the top. They can keep this. It's okay, but if I lose the grip and he kicks, he can get on top of you, right? And we're gonna scramble. So that's why I like getting on top. It's a little more concrete. One little final extra note. If you can get this, this is good too. Boom. I scoop it. Base back. I scoop it. I lock. Get my head to rib. Dump it off. Get to the side. If I can get this, this is pretty good too. But also, I'm not on top. I'm off to the side. So use at your discretion. 2 other ways, but for me, old school, stay on top. Anchor into the position in tripod, okay? There's your overhead cradle. Watch the next video here. We're gonna go with what happens if he sits through, all right? Check that one out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.